If you want to know what gear I use to achieve photos like this for a cafe, well, I suggest you stick around. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Raw Factory. My name is Jacob and the goal of this channel is to help you become a better food and product photographer. Now, I'm going to quickly run you guys through what gear I use to take shots like this for a cafe. And in next week's video, you guys will actually get to see me use this gear on a real cafe shoot. How exciting. First up, let's look into my camera bag. My main camera body is a 1DX Mark II. I must admit, it is a little bit overkill, but I love my 1DX Mark II, so I can use it wherever I want. All right, pal, all right? Now, for my backup camera, I'm using a 5D Mark II in case my 1DX Mark II decides to shit itself and stop working. I also carry around 2 spare batteries for both of these cameras. Side note, it took me ages before I had a backup camera, so don't freak out if you don't have one either, but do put it on the Christmas wish list. Now, moving on to my lenses. My most used lens would be the 50mm Sigma lens, the second lens being the Canon 100mm macro, and lastly, the Canon 35mm lens. Now, you're probably thinking, well, what lens is the perfect lens? Well, I have a video on that, which I'll link below for your convenience. I know, it's too good. I'm just too nice, man. I'm too nice. Now, as for my lighting, most people carry around speed lights on location shoots. However, I love the power of my strobes. And now to give you more details on my lighting setup, I have 1x Godox 8600 Pro strobe, 1x light stand, and 1x softbox. Also, I carry around a color checker. Each time I set up a new scene, I pop in the color checker and take a shot. That is for when I'm in post-production, I can actually eyedrop the gray tones to help me get the best color accuracy on my final images. So there you have it, guys. All my gear that I bring to on-location cafe shoots using a studio strobe. Now, all you have to do is wait for next week's video where I actually take you with me on location at a cafe. How exciting. Well, that is a wrap from me today, guys. I hope you got something out of this video. If you're excited for next week's video, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you then. Remember, don't wait, make something creative today. Catch you guys.